Continue with another video, and today we're gonna be playing Doodle Drop Batman Hand. Right now, I did defeat Poison Ivy. I think I already defeated Poison Ivy. Actually, that wasn't. Okay, finally now it's gonna work, guys. Yep, you probably saw that. We're gonna be fighting Catwoman. You guys had to look at Catwoman. She looks really ugly. Got her minions. Wait, Catwoman doesn't even have minions. There she goes, guys. Catwoman looks uglier than ugly. Finally, there's an ugly woman, and the last person you gotta battle and capture in jail is Solomon Grundy, guys. Come on, Catwoman, fight me, come on. Battle me, fight me, Catwoman, ugly butt face. Come on, yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna defeat Catwoman, guys. Whee! Got Catwoman, guys. Oh my gosh. Catwoman, no. Catwoman defeated me. That makes me mad. We go up here, get that. I'm almost defeating pretty much almost the whole game. Not really the whole game, but almost. Because I just need 2 more villains to battle. Solomon Grundy and Catwoman. So I'm going to defeat Catwoman anyways. And I'm almost going to defeat Solomon Grundy. Okay, there we go. I wonder what's Catwoman's like joke thing, because bad guys have a joke. Like Scarecrow's is like a bird in jail, and Joker is who's laughing now, and yeah, Riddler's is riddle me this. Okay, you got that. You're going right here. Oh, there's Catwoman again. Die. Get beat up and die, Catwoman. Gonna beat you up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I will beat you up, Catwoman now. Bouncy. My gosh. Bouncy. Go up here. Bounce. Bounce. Ooh, run him over. Run over somebody else. Oh, run over anybody. Especially Catwoman. I'll run her over. 'Cause I think she's ugly. And I think she does deserve to get ran over. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, let's play volleyball, Catwoman. Okay, I'm gonna play volleyball with her. Ooh. Oh. This is what's the video gonna be about. Volleyball with Catwoman. Okay, at 1 point. Oh, she thinks she's so smart. It's so annoying right now. Okay, now I'm actually gonna try to beat her up. Beat up Catwoman, guys. Gonna beat up Catwoman, gonna beat the living snatcher out of Catwoman. Gonna beat her up, beat Catwoman up. Beat Catwoman up, guys. Beat Catwoman. Come on, Catwoman, come on, buddy. We're gonna beat you up anyways. I'm not gonna move. Hey. I'm gonna run over people, come on. Oh, got some money. Got 42 bucks right to now. We're gonna beat up Catwoman, guys. Today. That's the main goal. Beat up Catwoman. Is that a Riddler's bad guy? Whoa! Seriously, I was a sword to beat up Catwoman. She got a lot of guards. And Catwoman doesn't even have guards, I think. Like in the real Batman stuff, no, she works alone. She's a vigilante. Gosh darn, Catwoman's now gone. Hate her so much now. That makes a farting noise. Oh, come on, battle. Oh, to make you go away, I had to do this. I could have ran over stupid bad guy stuff. Finally, we're gonna have a boss battle, Catwoman. Ready, fight! Beat you up. Whoa! Hey, volleyball time. Ooh, Catwoman's gonna get beat up now. Volleyball time. Oh, come on, Catwoman. Hey. Whoa! She really expects me to die from that? Whoa! Whoa! Ooh! Seriously, Catwoman. Cat in cage. We got Catwoman now, guys. We got Catwoman, cat in cage. Wow, that's the funniest joke. Ha 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 ha. We gotta go to Solomon Grundy now. I don't really care about the coins. I just want to battle Solomon Grundy, defeat all the bad guys. That's not Solomon Grundy. That's just Fat Penguin. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Seriously. Oh, no. Oh, we got 20,000, guys. Right now, we got 20,000. And I'm gonna, seriously, gonna defeat Penguin. I already passed this stuff before. Okay, guys, right now. This stuff is really easy anyway. Oh my gosh, no! No! I don't want to. I don't want to play that. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. No, I hate you putting your stupid fat butt. You saggy face. Oh! That scared me. Never turned into this was scary. And we're gonna battle Penguin again. Bring it on! Bring it on! Your turn. Butt face. Whoa! Oh! Yeah! Wow! Come on, let's go right here now. Oh my gosh, you defeated Penguin. Or I'm gonna still defeat you, Penguin. But you could have heard that. Yep. Come on, give me Solomon Grundy. I want to battle him. I'm mad. We're not defeating Solomon Grundy. I wanted to defeat Solomon Grundy, guys. Super badly, man. So, guys, I do hope you like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye. I tell guys, yo.